wishes, and congratulations. Basic patterns. Congratulations. I'm sure you deserve it. I'm sure you'll do fine. Good luck. I wish you the best. That's great. Outstanding. Allow me to congratulate you. I wish you well. You have my best wishes. Good job. Please accept my warmest congratulations. I must congratulate you. I wish you nothing but the best. I wish you good luck. Dialogue 1.
Congratulations, honey. We're all very proud of you.
Oh, Mom, stop it. You're embarrassing me.
It's my job. I'm a mother, and now you're a college graduate.
It's hard to believe. 4 years of college and now I'm done.
Yes, you seem to have grown up so fast.
I owe a lot to you. You've been there for me all the way.
Well, I guess my efforts have paid off now.
I did put in a little of my own effort too, you know.
Yes, I know. I'll say it again. Congratulations, Becky.
Dialogue 2. It's been quite an experience having you in class, Jason.
I can say the same to you, Mr. Tucker, and I've enjoyed it.
I hope you learned a little bit here.
This has been one of my best classes in law school.
I'm glad to hear it. I've heard you have a good job waiting for you.
Yes, I've just been offered a job by a good law firm in Philadelphia.
Well, congratulations. I'm sure you deserve it.
I hope so, but I owe a lot to you.
Nonsense. You got yourself that job. I'm sure you'll do fine. Dialogue 3.
Oh, hey there, Amy. I heard you just got a promotion.
Yeah, I'm the new supervisor for sales.
That's great. Congratulations.
Well, it's going to be a lot more responsibility.
And more money.
Maybe a little more.
I guess that means you're kind of my boss.
Don't go thinking that. I'm still the same old Amy. I'm not even sure why I got the promotion.
Oh, don't be so humble. You deserve the promotion, boss.
Thanks, but don't call me boss. Anyway, I've got to get back to work. Dialogue 4.
I guess we've packed everything. I think that's the last box.
Yes, I think so.
Thanks for helping me move out.
Don't mention it, and good luck in Denver.
Oh, thanks. I'll need some luck. It's going to be a big change of pace.
I'll say, from small town to big city.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm a little jealous.
You should come too. I'm sure you could get a job at one of the museums with your background.
No, I like it out here, but I wish you the best. Stay in touch.
Will do. Take it easy.
Dialogue 5. It's raining outside.
It's supposed to let up by tomorrow. Don't be so nervous.
How can I not be so nervous? I'm getting married tomorrow.
So, Lacey's family is taking care of all the planning.
Yeah, so what?
If anything goes wrong, it's not your fault. So relax.
That's stupid, Paul. Anyway, that's not why I'm nervous. This is a big step. A huge step.
No longer single, huh? Together forever and ever.
Pretty scary, right?
Seriously, it's the best thing you've ever done. I envy you, buddy.
Really? You do?
Yeah, a little. Look, you're going to be happy. I wish you two the best in life. I really do.
Thanks, Paul. Thanks a lot. Substitution drills. 1. 4 years of college, and now I'm done. 4 years of college, and now it's finished. 4 years of college, and now it's over. 4 years of college, and now it's at an end. 2. Yes, you seem to have grown up so fast. Yes, you seem to have matured so fast. Yes, you seem to have aged so fast. Yes, you seem to have gotten older so fast. 3. I did put in a little of my own effort too, you know. I did give a little of my own effort too, you know. I did contribute a little of my own effort too, you know. I did chip in a little of my own effort too, you know. 4. I've just been offered a job by a good law firm in Philadelphia. I've just been offered a position by a good law firm in Philadelphia. I've just been offered a contract by a good law firm in Philadelphia. I've just been offered a post by a good law firm in Philadelphia. 5. This has been one of my best classes in law school. This has been one of my worst classes in law school. This has been one of my favorite classes in law school. This has been one of my most interesting classes in law school. 6. I heard you just got a promotion. I heard you just got a demotion. I heard you just got an advancement. I heard you just got a transfer. 7. Yeah, I'm the new supervisor for sales. Yeah, I'm the new supervisor for marketing. Yeah, I'm the new supervisor for accounting. Yeah, I'm the new supervisor for research. 8. You deserve the promotion. You earned the promotion. You warrant the promotion. You merit the promotion. 9. I think that's the last box. I think that's the last container. I think that's the last crate. I think that's the last carton. 10. I'm sure you could get a job at one of the museums with your background. I'm sure you could get a job at one of the museums with your experience. I'm sure you could get a job at one of the museums with your training. I'm sure you could get a job at one of the museums with your education. 11. It's going to be a big change of pace. It's going to be a big change of tempo. It's going to be a big change of scenery. It's going to be a big change of life. 12. It's supposed to let up by tomorrow. It's supposed to stop by tomorrow. It's supposed to cease by tomorrow. It's supposed to ease off by tomorrow. 13. If anything goes wrong, it's not your fault. If anything goes wrong, it's not your concern. If anything goes wrong, it's not your worry. If anything goes wrong, it's not your problem. 14. No longer single, huh? No longer unmarried, huh? No longer unattached, huh? No longer alone, huh? 15. I wish you two the best in life. I wish you two a happy life. I wish you two happiness. I wish you two many happy years. Monologue. Ian is moving from a small town to a large city, Denver. Denver is a city in the West, in the Rocky Mountains. It's quite common for Americans to relocate, especially as young adults. This may be for a new job, but often people move simply to start a new life. It can be as easy as throwing some possessions in a car and driving away, or even just buying a bus ticket. Sometimes these changes are permanent, and a person may put down roots in a new area. Other times, they may simply stay for just a few years. It is even quite common to work for just a few months at a temporary job before returning home or going somewhere else. As a result, many Americans have experience in diverse parts of the country or even the world and have worked different kinds of jobs.